In a career that spans over 60 years, Yang, 85, has translated 31 German classics into the Chinese language, including Faust, selected poems of Herrenheim, and Immensee. Many of his translations are still best-selling books in some bookstores. His translation of Grimm's fairy tales, for instance, has been popular among Chinese readers for many generations. In November 2018, Yang received the Lifetime Achievement Award in Translation, one of the most prestigious translation prizes in China. Today, the octogenarian translator is still an active figure in the literary and translation circle. He loves to communicate with his readers. Every year, he attends cultural events at Chongqing Library, meeting young fans of his Grimm's fairy tales in person. Just recently, Yang opened his official account on instant messaging platform WeChat, telling readers the story behind his translations.
那个德国的文化，以歌德、贝多芬等等为代表的嘛。歌德有很强的人类意识，这一点，我觉得很少有人达到这个高度。